It's 5:30 on February 8th. Spotter 12567 in Monson, Mass. Significant change in weather in just the last 10 minutes. Wind has picked up and the snow is coming down pretty good, as you can see from this. You turn it a little bit and you can see the trees up behind there. And you can see that guy is ignoring the band on the roads. Speaking of the roads, I'm not sure if you could see it, but they're starting to get snow covered, and 10 minutes ago they were totally clear. Very windy. I'll pan around so you can see the flag. The flag on my building, and there's a flag across the street, both of which are blowing pretty good. It's like it dies for a minute and then it picks back up. Go back around to the snow. I'll send you more later.